Hi guys, welcome to this session in Power Query Editor. In this module, I want to show you how you can merge data from multiple tables. So first of all, I need to get the data. So I'm clicking on New Source and I'm going to select an Excel spreadsheet, well, 3 Excel sheets. So Excel workbook. The first one is customers. Once the table appears in the navigator, you tick the table you want, and then you can click OK to get it into the Power Query Editor. That's the first one, and then I'm going to get another one. Another Excel workbook. This one's called Products. Tick Products. Click OK. And then the last one is going to be Sales Data. So once you've got all the data in the Power Query Editor, you can then click on the table that you want to use as the base table to merge. So these have all got related fields like customer ID and product ID are both from these tables. So I can merge them using that. I could have also used formulas to do this as well, but I just want to show you this process. So I'm going to click on Merge Query. The first one is going to come up with this sales table as a main query. And then you select the table you want to merge to, which is going to be customers. And then you click on the field, which is going to be the same in each table, like that. And then click OK. And then it will drop it in with you having now the option to select which fields that you want to appear. So I just want customer name to be in this table. So I'll just click OK, and it should just drop in the customer name, which you can see there. And then I want to do a merge again for the other table, the products. So again, this is a source table, but now it's going to be the other table, products. And again, you've got a unique identifier, product ID and product ID. And then you can click OK to that. Before I click OK, you've got these options down here for different joins and things like that. If you want to play around with those, you can if you don't get the right information. But I'm going to click OK to that because this is going to give me what I want. And again, I get the option to select the fields I want to see. So in this case, I want to see the product name, the cost price, and the sale price. If I come further down, that's it. OK to that. And then you'll get those extra columns coming in, like so. You can then format these columns to be fixed decimal, and then you could, if you wanted to, you've got the cost price there and the sale price there, you could work out the profit. So if I just select these two and go to add column, I can then just do a subtraction there, see what it comes up with, and then that would be the profit. So £50 profit, and then you can just double click on that and call that profit, for example. Once you've joined these tables together or merged these tables, that's what you're going to be able to do. That's already picking it up as the correct format. So that's just a little video of how you can merge tables once you've got them into Power Query, and then you can go back to home and save and load or apply and load back into Power BI, and then those tables will come in. All three tables will come in, but one of them's got the merged data. Now I could have done some of that stuff in Power BI itself. Once all the three tables have loaded, you can see the data over here. These are the individual tables, but this last one is the merge table where you've got those extra columns. So if you want, you can then start using the visualizations features to create a visual based on these. So if I go, for example, you've got products there, product name. If I tick that and I tick profit, which is a column that we created, that should create the visual for that. And there's the visual showing the profit for each of those products. And you can do another visual, for example, customer name, and basically what products. Let's go product name, and we'll go profit, because I need to change this visual into probably a matrix visual. Let's see what that looks like. And then you can make that one sit like this. So you've got the customer names, the profit you made from those customers, which is not a lot really, but there you go. That's because you joined all the columns or the tables in the Power Query Editor. So that's all I want to talk about in this little video, how you can merge tables when they've got a relationship. So hopefully this little video was of use. Thank you for your time, and I'll catch you on the next one.